Hi everyone, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Anaconda and how to set up the Python environment inside Anaconda, and also how to set up the R environment inside Anaconda. So let's say at first I need to download Anaconda, so I can search here and is anaconda.com. Anaconda.com. So if I search here, the first they will show me this, the Anaconda official site, so I can click here free download. After free download I need to get my the link of download, so I can just select my email and then agree and then submit. Okay, after submit they are giving me here the link to download Anaconda here. So now I'm going to download for Windows, so I can click here. I can suggest to download here, and this is the latest version of Anaconda, and I can save here. So it's start downloading and it will take some time. I just pause my video. I will back soon. So now it's a download complete, so I can go there. And it's the download. So here download is the Anaconda here. So if I double click here, Anaconda, and then it will start for install. Mm. So now after click, it show me this page, and now I have to click next, and then it's a license agreement. So I can click here, I agree. If you want, you can read this. I agree, then I agree, then I will choose just for all users, and then I'll next. Now it will show me the do you want to allow these apps to make change your device. Maybe it's not showing in my screen. So during that time, when it will ask, do you want to allow this app to make change your device, you can press yes, click on yes. Then after you click yes, it will bring you a new page that is it will show you here. This will download your next. This is not empty. Please choose the different location. Okay. Conda 3. So I can go here and sorry, I can go to, for example, download. And after download, I can download here, see just, and then I can name ANSUND Anaconda. Then next, sure this contains two space can cause the problem several conduct progress. Okay. So now it's downloaded here, and I can say register Anaconda 3 system Python 3.11. Okay. And say Python 11. Okay, just say it's okay, and then get package upon the complaint, clear the package. Okay. And then install. So for installation also it will take some time. You can so I just pause the video. I will back soon. So it's finished in installation. Of course, it's take a long time, and then you can click on next. Then I'm going to Jupyter next. And then allows anaconda navigator getting with anaconda distribution also. Then finish. So that was finish about anaconda. So now I want to open anaconda. So you can come to your search bar and search here anaconda. So it will show you anaconda navigator apps. So just click here, and after click it also can take some time to open it because this application is quite big, like around almost 1 GB. So just wait a little bit. It's opening, installing. Okay, so this anaconda already open. So okay, now you can launch Jupitar Notebook. So after launch Jupitar Notebook, you came here and then so for example, I want to open a new. If you click here new, now see it show only Python 3 and make sure your computer already have a Python. If you don't have, just you can download. I will try to put all of link how to download R, how to download Python, and how to download Anaconda on this video description. So now it's show here Python. So it's already set up for Python here. So now I just want to show you one how to write it. So it's for Python here. So let's say you can write print print hello. Sorry. And then if you press and run, it will show you output. So that was for about Python. Now it's here only showing Python. So if we want to set up the R environment, and then after setup, there will show also R. So I get so after download or so after setup Python, then it's time to set up for R. So you can come here and you can click on environments, and after environments you can go here and press on create, click on create. So create here, so we have to provide a name. So since I already opened before Python 2 Python 1, that's for different purpose. So I want to create a new name. That name will be R, and then Python, then it's 3, just 3. It's 3 for me. You can just write only R Python if you previously if you didn't set up R environment. So Python 3, and then you click, it's automatically showing the Python version 11. is is always showing the 1% of previous version. So it's okay, you can put here and click on R. R is 361, it's automatically the last one, it's showing the last one. So now you can click on create. It will take some time, so it can be also long time. So I just pause the video, I will back soon. So okay, at the meantime, when it will be almost finished, when it will be almost finished, it can ask you about you want to change your device location. Just there you need to press yes. This means you need to click on yes. So okay, it's almost done. So at the meantime, it can ask you something like, do you want to make change your device for any publisher or something that didn't show in my screen? So you can just click here, yes. Okay, now we can click here to open our environment. So it's totally finished now. I can now click here. It will show me open terminal, open with Python, open with Python. But I need to open with Jupitar Notebook. Choose this and click on Jupitar Notebook. Then it will bring you in a new Windows. Okay. So let me, it's automatically open in my browser. So I just need to share that screen. Okay. So it's bring me here for a new, whenever I click on open with Jupyter Notebook, it's bring me here. So now here you need to come to a new and the notebook, click on notebook. Whenever you click notebook, it will bring you in another interface, and here it will also ask you, do you want to do with the Python 3 or with R? This is finally our R. So if you click here now and say select, okay, now it's showing for R. So now you can write here any code, like say I want to press something about a vector. Is code here. So I just write it. It is a vector fruits. Inside fruits, we have a three fruits: banana, apple, and orange, and fruits. Then you can run it. So it show you here the banana, apple, and orange. So that's all was until how to set up R inside Anaconda at Jupyter Notebook. And thank you for watching. I will try to put all of the links on the description, video description, and there I'll put how to download even Python, how to download this Anaconda, how to download this R, and how to set up R also. Okay, thank you. I've been already installed Anaconda apps. Here I recommend, if you want to Anaconda 3 register as your system Python, you register Python first if you really know what you want.